Hello friends, so today I am making brownie. So let's see the ingredients. 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder, milk as needed, 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence, oil for greasing, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 40 gram of chocolate, half cup of powdered sugar, 1 cup maida and 100 gram butter. I have kept this water for boiling. So now we will melt this chocolate. Now I will melt this butter also and mix with that melted chocolate. I have melted this butter partially and now I will mix the melted chocolate in this. Now I will add this all ingredients in this mixture. Now I will add required milk in this. You can see that our mixture is ready. So now we will take one utensil and grease it with oil. Now I will pour this batter in this utensil. Now we will tap this utensil, the air will remove from it. Now I will keep this utensil in this preheated pan. Now I will cover it without vessel and ring. After 30 minutes we will see that our brownie is ready or not. Now I will check this that it is ready or not. You can see that it is ready. For garnishing, I have taken one vanilla ice cream and now I will spread this Hershey's on it. So our brownie is ready. So let's try it. Wow, it tastes yummy. If you like my video, like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.